Good afternoon. We are proud to present this great opportunity for 3 maintenance techs to work on the latest battery technology in one of the world's newest and most advanced manufacturing facilities. These positions are paying $50 per hour, $75 per hour overtime, and $100 per hour on Sundays and holidays. You will need to have some Allen Bradley maintenance experience to apply, and you will need to be able to start working in Ohio very soon. If this is you or someone you know who would benefit from this opportunity, please share this post with them. At Automate America, we are creating a free and fair marketplace for all automation integrators, service companies, manufacturers, and independent contractors to broadcast their opportunities globally and for them to be automatically matched to available professionals who are proven experts in their occupations. Automate America, jobs, contracts, products, and services for automation and manufacturing only. Let us know how you feel about these opportunities and what Automate America is creating in the comment section of this post. Thank you for your time, and I wish you all the love, power, and harmony. Have a great day.